something to me.
So starting off with the creepiest video ever, they ring the doorbell and then wait outside the view of the peephole, almost like they're hoping someone will answer so they can commit some sort of crime.
Who is it? Who is that? What the hell?
Now this one is really weird. Look at this circle. There's a guy hiding there. He's about to pay a visit for unknown reasons. It's also the middle of the night. He gets spooked by the dog and leaves. So this lady often speaks to herself, but this time she's angry and arguing with no one but herself, and it only gets worse. Not the ideal neighbor.
I am not interested in him. I am telling you, I am sick and tired of listening to these parents. I am sick and tired of these people coming outside. How you doing? Did you say something to me?
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Did y'all say something?
No.
Okay.
Please don't knock on the door.
This was recorded in a neighborhood where many families live. There's a ton of children in this area. This could not have gone worse. A mother attempts to shoot the dog, but accidentally hits her child.
Bruno, get over here! Get inside!
This household had a strange visitor through the night. This one still leaves a lot of unanswered questions. Who is this guy? Why did he bang on a stranger's door at 3 a.m.? What is he wearing? He kept ringing the doorbell. They kept hearing strange noises, only to find this on their doorbell camera. What a horrible neighbor. at 5 a.m. In what the original poster said, a safe neighborhood, a Ring doorbell captured the strangest thing. They were awoken in the night to sounds of crying, kicking, and screaming just outside their front door. Unable to see the person through their window, they checked the camera and were horrified. Fast forward minutes later, she suddenly starts banging the door. The original poster called police, but the woman left moments before they arrived. They still have no idea what she wanted or why she was there. Still to this day, one of the creepiest things ever recorded on a Ring doorbell. Moving on to video 2. This one is horrifying. For a little backstory so you understand the footage, the original poster, an unidentified woman, was granted a restraining order literally last weekend against this man. This man allegedly attacked her property and damaged her belongings on multiple occasions. The day the restraining order was granted, he went to her property, and this was recorded on the Ring doorbell. The saddest thing I learned after watching the footage, this guy lives in the same building as her, and she set up multiple cameras. On this same day the footage was recorded, he also destroyed 2 other cameras. This video captures the creepiest thing. What looks like a disguised man comes up to the door in a very unnatural, creepy way. At first glance, it seems like the suspect is attempting to break in. But then it gets even weirder.
I see you. I see you.
This video isn't fake. Police were called the next day and were given this recording. 20 minutes after this was recorded, he reportedly came back to the property and can be seen in the distance. Unfortunately, we don't have that recording. Creepy as hell though. This Ring doorbell video shows 2 women running from a creepy guy. The creep followed them and eventually ran after them, literally chasing them to their home. Thankfully, they both made it home safely.
Go.
This video is both creepy and sad. The original poster had a flower urn outside their front door, and some scumbag stole it in the night. This left the homeowners confused, because why on earth would someone steal such a thing? Moving on, this one is creepy as hell. What might seem like nothing out of the ordinary at first glance is actually something horrifying. The original poster reported his toolbox was stolen out of his garage. He watched footage on his doorbell and noticed this car. This car was parked in front of the house at 3 a.m., and an unidentified person comes in and out. What's even creepier is this car matched a description of a wanted murder suspect's vehicle. We're unable to tell if this is related, but if it is, that is terrifying. This one is extremely bizarre. A woman turned up to someone's house holding a knife. She rings the doorbell and just stands there. It seems like she may be suffering from a psychotic episode. She just stands there for a long time and then walks off after a few minutes. The homeowners did not answer. They called police immediately. This one is super creepy. Captured at night. A strange man comes to the front door, and as soon as he hears someone's home, he walks off fast. According to the original poster, this guy was turning on people's water hoses at night and flooding the areas. Very bizarre behavior.
Yo, no, man. Everything cool? Yeah. I was telling him, I checked on the land long as everything went to electric man. It's electric water pump.
Now, to end this video off, we've got the worst Ring doorbell footage I've ever witnessed. These three were captured stealing in broad daylight. Absolutely horrifying footage.